Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to actually be ranking loads of countries. Earthquake, alarm. Firstly, I just need to get the, once. Okay, got the thingy up. Let's create a new one. Create. Oh, name. Go on. Okay, now see. Oh. Bye bye. Okay, I got my stuff. One sec. And the first one we're gonna be ranking is the world of anime. Japan! Let's go.
緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna rank Japan. B. Next one we're gonna be watching. Okay, now we're gonna be looking at Peru. We know where this is going. Not D, not D. C. South Korea. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I know. Is it go pure light sound? Not Korea. We're gonna look at two. The heck? Okay, let's look at this one. Oh, God. What?
You have to forgive yourself. You have to forgive yourself. On global.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Environment and Climate Change Canada has issued a possible tornado alert.
Canada. By all of the ones we've looked at, South Korea, yes, just gotta do it. I don't like Japan. Maybe that can go in an A. Yep. Guys, suggest to me what I should do for the next video. I have two options: music video a normal video. Okay, bye. Ciao.